Good morning. Today is December 20, 2023, Wednesday, and here are the 10:30 a.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Square 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Wednesday, December 20, 2023. Here are the STL Square 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for December 20, 2023, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Wednesday, December 20, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.